What's up, YouTube? How's everybody doing? Today is another day out here in beautiful Florida, and we are gonna head to Grandma's house, which is my in-laws, Mrs. MotoCrisis, his mother. It's gonna be her birthday tomorrow, so we're gonna go do dinner. We're gonna do a bike ride to Denellen, Florida. It's about a 2-hour ride, so come along with us. We'll get into some trouble, hopefully. Have some beers and get down the road.
Down the road.
All right, guys, we have stopped off at the gas station to fill up, so we're going to be working with, I believe, it's going to be $4.19. So let's get this done. All right, guys, I was able to put $9.73 in, so we got a little bit of a trip, so let's get down the road.
Down the road.
My trusty weather app said it was a 20% chance of rain. And of course, the 20% had to be in the direction that we were heading. I was wearing my half-shell helmet, and the rain felt like needles stinging my face, going 70 miles an hour down the highway.
Well, all right, my YouTube friends, I am on the side of the road, underneath the bridge, because it is raining. And it is raining like crazy. This is insane. I'm not sure what the deal is, but this is what's going on. Push me up. So I got another guy coming underneath here. Alright, well, he's gonna hang with us, but let's go.
All right, my YouTube friends, we have stopped at Walmart because we are completely soaked. So we're gonna go look for some clothes. And you can hear my boots. Yeah, this sucks, but It's a part of riding, so whatever. All right, let's get in here. All right, I am in Walmart. Got some boots, jeans, and a shirt, probably $35, so not bad. That was a big strawberry there. Fried ice cream. The rain has stopped. I'm here still in Dunellen. Got about a 2-hour ride home. And as you can see, it is getting dark. So let's get down the road. I'll go over our day kind of. And let's just say it was a mess. I'm sure you guys are going to see it in this video. All the rain. But it is what it is. Let's get down the road. Alright guys, we are finally leaving Grandma's house. For me, it's the in-laws. I call her Grandma because she's grandma to my kids. I mean, this is Florida retirement right here. They got a golf course. They got all the amenities they need. They ride around in golf carts. A few guys in here ride motorcycles. I don't know if this thing's gonna go up. Oh, there it goes. Anyway, it's probably gonna be dark. You guys probably can't see anything, so if I have any thoughts, or I'll see you guys down the road. Yeah, I got a long road home, so I'll check in with y'all. Let's get down the road. Let's get some miles behind us. Because it's Miss MotoCrisis's birthday tomorrow, and we wanted to celebrate with her mother and her father. And it sounded like a good idea to come out here and ride the bike, because it is a beautiful ride when you do get on the back roads. A lot of hills, a lot of twisties and stuff like that. Now we're heading back and it's late. I didn't expect to be here this late, but that's the way things go. I feel like I'm on a road trip going across country right now. But I'm gonna stop at this Pilot and get some gas. All right, we're heading down the I-75 south to get back to Orlando, then cut over on the 408. But it's dark out here. There's a little bit of traffic, kind of sucks. So at least I am dry, or our life would be sucking really bad right now. So that just goes to show you, when you're on the road, man, I would have done stop by now, have me a good night's sleep somewhere. But when you're on the road, you know, you gotta have a contingency plan for your clothes getting wet, your boots getting wet, whatever. That's just a process for me to think about when I hit here on the road, coming up in October for the Barber Vintage motorcycle festival that I'm going to be planning to go to. So I have people. Brian is going to be coming, Tom's going to be coming. We met those guys over at Daytona Bike Week. We camped with them, and then I got my dad coming for sure. So right now we got 4 bikes heading out. Should be a good time. Should be a really good time. Anyway, let's get some miles behind us. I'll see y'all when I see ya. Alright guys, we've been on the road for about an hour and a half, so we're about 30 minutes out from getting home. So we're ending up coming to Orlando here in a little bit, probably on the far west side of the outskirts of town. I just been cruising around 75-80 miles an hour all the way back, and my ass
starting to feel the fatigue. I usually can get about 2 hours of sitting on this seat, then I just gotta stop. Right now it's been about an hour. My ass has been hurting, but that's all right. I'm gonna push through. I need to get some of this iron butt out. My ass has got to get stronger for the big ride that's coming up here in a little bit. So let's push all the way through. Let's get down there. What's crazy right now, it is the temperature has dropped like crazy. I'm in a t-shirt right now. It feels amazing, to be honest with you, especially driving back in this dark here. It's a nice brisk temp, nice brisk air, which I am digging because it has been so humid and hot lately. It's a nice change. Let's just call it that. There she is, the city beautiful, all lit up in her glory, downtown Orlando. Not too far from home, actually 23 minutes. All right, we are on our last stretch of 2.5 miles of what I call interstate driving. Then we get off on the regular highways, I guess you can call them, instead of interstate travel. But it's been a solid hour and a half of just 75 to 80 miles of just motorcycle rumbling between my legs. But we're almost there, guys. I'll see you when I sign off at home.
All right, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video for today. I really appreciate you guys coming along with me. And until the next time, I will see you on the next ride.